Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and this is Hena Talati. More than 1.76 million people have been affected by severe flooding in China's northern Shaanxi province, according to the local media. Torrential rain last week led to houses collapsing and triggered landslides across more than 70 districts and cities in the province. Heavy rainfall is hampering rescue efforts, officials said. The flooding comes less than 3 months after the extreme rains in Henan province left more than 300 dead. In neighboring Hebei province, a bus fell into the flooded river. State media said 3 people had died and 11 of 51 on board were missing. In Shaanxi, China's meteorological administration also told local media that heavy and prolonged rainfall and storms have hampered rescue efforts. Shaanxi is also home to a number of the ancient monuments which are at major risk from the severe rainfall. More than 120,000 people have been urgently transferred and resettled, and 17,000 homes have collapsed across the Shaanxi province, authorities told the news agency. 4 police officers died as a result of landslide, according to the state-run Global Times, although information about other casualties have not been released. The Shaanxi flooding may have been worse than the floods in Henan earlier this year, it added. Villages were inundated by the water, trapping residents and causing collapse of some dams, China Global Television Network reported. Aerial footage showed railway bridges washed away, leaving tracks hovering in the air, and sections of the ancient wall around the UNESCO-listed ancient city of Bingyong were also eroded. More than 400 mining operations were suspended, 60 were coal producing. China is experiencing crippling electricity shortages reportedly caused by the coal shortages and record high prices, which have prompted authorities to order increased coal production elsewhere in the country. According to the state media, 59 national meteorological stations reported the highest ever recorded daily rainfall and 63 their highest accumulative total over the period. The Fan River reached its highest level in 4 years, they said. Torrential rains fell for several days last week across the province. In 12 hours overnight to Thursday morning, Shaanxi, which ordinarily has an average of 31.3 millimeters for the month, had an average of 119.5 millimeters across the province. 18 counties recorded more than 200 millimeters with a maximum of 285.2 millimeters. Taiyuan, the capital of Shaanxi, recorded rainfall of 185 millimeters, about 7 times the pre-210 average for October. More rain and colder weather was expected, the state news agency said on Sunday. The head of the Disaster Information Service Center told the Global Times the scope of the flooding was worse than the disastrous rain that hit Henan earlier this year, but the impact had not been as bad. Howe's primary concern for Shaanxi was the accompanying cold weather, the report said. Authorities in the Shaanxi has earmarked 50 million yuan to support flood control and relief work for heavy rains lashed the coal-rich province. The region is normally dry, but the Xinhua news agency said the rainfall had damaged crops across 190,000 hectares, which represents an area bigger than the size of London. In July and August, more than 300 people died after flooding hit central China, including 14 who were killed after getting trapped in the flooded subway lines. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.